Many companies are hiring for remote customer service jobs, and you can find the right one for you at a company's website or through Flex Jobs. The database of flexible roles includes customer support, sales, and accounting. If you are interested in working from home, this type of job is ideal for those looking for flexible work hours. Some companies have work from home options, while others require in-office training. Hello, and welcome to the Marketer DNA YouTube channel. Willie Desjarnet will navigate you through this video. He will discuss where to find the best remote customer service jobs. Also, he will provide the link to the site at the bottom of the description.
Before we even get started, I would like you to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me show you this, guys. Before you go further, I have a lead system where you can acquire a lot of leads. You can triple your leads in a matter of no time. Look at the statistics right here. You can do this in no time. All you have to do is follow the link that I have below, tripleyouremaillist.com. Also, let me let you look at the my Gmail account. Look at all these leads coming in. They come in on a daily basis, and you could join this opportunity absolutely free. Just take a look at the link that I have below in the video. I'll see you inside. What's going on, guys? We want to go through some jobs, probably some jobs where I guess we want to call this customer service jobs that you can do online. And these jobs are kind of designed for people who don't have to be overqualified to obtain a job like this. So we want to go through and find you some jobs. And today we're going to go to a site called flexjobs.com, and we're going to go through 12 jobs or 12 companies that can provide work for you. Let me restate that. These are 12 companies that can provide customer service jobs for you. So let's just go through this so we won't keep this video long, and I'll have the link connected to an article below this video, okay? So let's go ahead and start out, and we'll start out with, I may not pronounce this right, Agilon. Agilon specializes in placing marketing, administration, management, customers, human resource, and non-clinical health care supply chains, logistics, and operation professional in some of the world's most established companies. And so what we'll do is we'll just click and take a look at just a few jobs that this company have, so you could go and get you a customer service job. So what you do once you get to the site, you click on a link, and they talk about the few jobs that they do have, like invoicing coordinator, customer service representative, bilingual Spanish customer service job, compensation analyst, human resource analyst, medical bill specialist, human resource generalist, recruiter, payroll specialist. So this company provides a lot of customer service jobs, and we're gonna go on and like I said, I'll have a link to this so you'll know. CVS Health, if you've dealt with drug stores and things like that, you would know CVS Health, okay? And let's just take a look. CVS Health, nation's largest provider for healthcare service and prescription management, over 9,500 pharmacies and store, striving online pharmacies, and 1,100 clinical locations. Let's just see what type of jobs they have. Okay, and this is their little bot trying to talk with me. Let's just go down and take a look at some of their jobs, okay? And when you get to the site, just make sure you look at everything that is there. They got credential specialists, several credential, clinical health service supervisor, customer service representative, industrial engineer, force management, quality and compliance senior managers, clinical trial service. So it's kind of in the health deal. So senior manager, distribution channel management. So yeah, this is what database administrator, senior manager, claim-based specialist. So nice place to go and get customer service jobs. One thing I want to say while we're here, if you want to be involved in a customer service job, let me tell you something. If you get involved with this, you have to have a clean attitude. You can't have an attitude where you grumpy at people, things of that nature. You want to have a job where the actual customers are first. So if you're not having a mentality like that, it's probably best to not get one of these customer service jobs, because the customer is always first in an opportunity like this. Let's go on to the next one. Kelly. Kelly specializes in places workers in various of industries include accounting, finance, and administrative, automotive engineering, information technologies, life science, and call center. Outsourcing and consulting service include recruitment and business process, outsourcing, executive search, career transition, and executive coaching. So let's just take a look at a few jobs that they have. And we're going through 12, and I want to try to keep my videos within 10 minutes. I don't want to bore you, and I want to make sure if you're looking for a job, we provide the best possible way to get information to you along with Flex Jobs itself. Okay, underwriting technician, dispatch overnight, customer service representative, clerk, informator, developer, talent acquisition coordinator, laboratory and manufacturing practices, quality consultant. So, and it goes on. So you'll get the chance to click on the link and look at it as well. Now let's go on down to Lincoln Financial Group. Sound like some kind of financial service, but we'll just take a look at what it is. Lincoln Financial Group offers financial product that helps customers achieve retirement income security. The company offers annuity, life insurance, and long-term care protection. Let's take a look at what Lincoln has. We're on number 4. So, and we will have 8 more. Let's roll. All right. This Lincoln service has specialist financial report, new business case management, administrative, 2 group underwriting assistance, new business association index, life waiving claims specialist, and the list goes on, and you'll get a chance to review it. Now we got Progressive. So this got to be maybe Assurance. Progressive is one of the largest car insurance provider in the United States. In addition to insuring cars, Progressive insures commercial vehicle, RV, boats, motorcycles, homes through selective company. So what we want to do is we'll just click real quick and see what we got, and just list the first couple jobs so you'll know. Customer service representative, customer service. Most of these jobs are customer service representative for Progressive Insurance. Now we got Randstad. Randstad is a global staffing agent and human research service. That's what HR stands for. Human research service, providing, offering permanent, temporary, and outsourcing staff service and a range of HR solutions. And we won't read all that. You will have the link to get to this, and we'll just take a peek at what they have as far as jobbing. We will take a look at it. Let's take a look at what they have. Insurance rater, staff accounting, customer service representative, customer service representative, senior accounting. So let's just move on. Now let's go to Robert Half International. And I may have come across this on other type of jobs that I've listed on this channel. I may have. So let's just come here and look at what they have. And this using editor, accounting, payable specialist, data entry clerk, senior account payable specialist. So that's what that job is all about. It's founded in 1948. Robert Half International is a global professional staffing consulting firm made up of 8 divisions. Robert Half Executive Search Accountable, Robert Half Financial and Accounting, Robert Half Legal, Robert Half Technology and Office Team, and Creative Group of Robert Half. So, all right, let's move on to number 8, Sutherland. Sutherland is a worldwide process transfer company with more than 60 global operation centers, over 120 clients, 38,000 employees, 19 countries, and it helps customers improve automated customer experience and provided customer facing service, back office solution, and technology enabled service. And we won't go ahead and click on the links to show these jobs. When you get here, you go ahead and take a look at it. We're just gonna give you what it does, because I don't want to make this video extremely too long. You see the company, just click on the link and go there and find out if some of these jobs are for you. Now they got Transcom. Transcom is a global company that offers customers care, sales, technical support, and credit management service. Transcom is nearly 30,000 employees and serves more than 350 international brands in a variety and vertical such as financial service, media, telecommunication, travel, and retail. So guys, this is not just United States only, so you can take a look at this job if you are from another country. TTT Tech, I have done a video with TTT Tech in there. It's a business process outsourcing sourcing company with operational offices across the globe. It seeks to combine humanity with technology to help clients provide excellent customer experience, establish customer loyalty, and boost business growth. TT Tech has nearly 20,000 home-based associates worldwide. Very powerful. It even talk about the capability of having bilingual customer service representative, technical support. All right, United Health Group. United Health Group is a diverse health company comprised of two businesses: United States Healthcare, a provider of benefits and insurance coverage, and Opturn, a leading provider of technology and information enable and health service. So when you get here, guys, look on there and see what all this company had to provide. All right, our final one is U.S. Bank. U.S. Bank is one of the top 5 largest commercial banks in the United States, owned by Fortune 500 company. U.S. Bank Core, U.S. Bank offer, and a wide array of service, including savings and checking accounts, insurance, mortgage, refinance, investing, and wealth management and loans. So guys, what I've given you is 12 jobs. I keep on saying jobs. 12 companies that can provide you customer service jobs. So what you want to do, as you follow the link below, I will have an article that linking you to this particular site where you can look for these jobs. So if you're looking for a job in customer service that don't require a lot of education, this is the best place to go. So I hope I provided you with some value so you can take a look at these jobs and see if they're worth you taking a shot at it. Guys, go out there and get your job, and let's become great in the work field so the economy can keep growing. I love for you to give me a like, and I will wish you subscribe to our channel so I can provide more information, so I can stay motivated to help you get the job of your dream. Take care, and I'll see you the next time around.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.